Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about 30 minutes. Maybe some pre-market trading could take place. I'd probably lean towards not going to happen, but figured I'd get things in place just in case something does roll around. If not, I'll see you back at the open. All right, I have an order at 405. Just 500 shares to go short on HYRE. We'll see if we can get up through the $4 mark or not. Market's been open for about 4 minutes. Okay, it's trying to break up through 4. At this point, I'm actually going to go to 415. So let's see if it can get up to that area or close. I may be willing to lower down the order, but we'll see how it first steps first. It's definitely got to get up over 4. Have order at 52.47 on TPR. Just broke above 52. Although this one's looking pretty interesting now. I'm going to go 52.37 on that one. I'll get this alert in the chat room. There we go. See if this one wants to keep on pulling back, and then TPR has got to get back up above 52. I'll keep you updated. All right, have an order at 52.30 and went down and hit as low as 52.37. All right, so let's just go to 52.01 at this point in time. So 52.01, like I said, I wanted 52.30 and I was within 7 cents, but just did not happen. But we'll see if it wants to break down there to the 52 number or not. And I will be at 52.01. Still have an order out there on TPR at 53.35. But BZUN looks like it's got the best potential here to give me a fill. Nice, so I'm in. We'll look to get more shares. Next allotment at 51.25. And then 50.85. And oh, I'm out. Okay, well that was quick. So $95 there. I would like to start the sequence again down at 51.25. So let's see if it can move down that way. All right, 50.75. I changed this order to on BZUN. Let's see if we can get the breakdown through 51. There it is, and I'm in. So I will look to get more. Let's try some at 49.75. So let's see what this wants to do here. If it wants to go up to 50.90, then I'll take my profits and start the sequence again. Okay, so it's kind of pausing out here a little bit. Can it get up to 50.90? That's the question. And there it is there for another, what was that, $75. And I will look to start the sequence again at 49.75. I'll keep you updated. Move my order down to 49.60. Let's see if we can break down through the 50 mark. And after that, I'd like to see a relatively violent move to the downside. So we'll try to see if I can at least capture 50 break if it happens on video. So we'll let it run here. All right, I will pause. Oh, wow. All right, well, I don't think I caught it, but try to get that on video, and that just happened in literally the blink of an eye, and I'm already out. So that was what, $75 and I don't know, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Let's start the sequence again at 48.755, double checking. So there we go. So again, 48.75. We'll start. Now I remember, ideally I want more than 500 shares, but I'm not going to be turning down. You know, if I was walking down the street and I saw a $75 bill sitting there and I thought, you know, it's going to take me about 2 seconds to bend over and pick that up, I'm going to take the 2 seconds to bend over and pick it up. Now, if I was Warren Buffett or Bill Gates, you know, that probably wouldn't be worth my time, but I am not them. So, all right, 48.75, next entry point in the sequence. All right, change my order to 48.55, and after that last very big jump, I don't want to miss the entry point. So let's see if we can capture another just absolute knee-jerk reaction to the downside. So there we go. It's starting to move. Getting close. Okay, never mind. It stopped where I wanted it to stop. So let's go to 48.25. Oh, and now it's back up above 49. So I'll go ahead and pause. All right, 28.55, first entry point here on GDS, just 300 shares. Looking like this one can move quite quickly. So we'll see if we can get down to 28.55 or not. I am just now getting back to my computer. Last trade I made was, right around 9:50, so 20 minutes, and I'm just going to wrap things up, and we'll have this video be a little bit shorter. I mean, captured 3 separate trades, 245, so essentially $245 in 20 minutes. I will take that all day long. I am not going to complain about that at all, especially when I'm at home and essentially in very comfortable clothes, and I won't go into too many more details with that. Now, before I go though, if you enjoyed these videos or this video, there are other live trades, but if you want me to keep making these, the easiest way to communicate that to me is to click that like button and to subscribe to the channel. Also, check out claytrader.com. I was talking about this chat room. You can go there and subscribe. It's only $99 per year, not per month, not per quarter, just $99 per year. Get out the calculator, do the math. It breaks down to literally $1.90 per week. So you can go there and join up if you want. And then finally, if you're interested in learning more about charts and how to form trading strategies with the tool of technical analysis, which again is charts, again, claytrader.com. I offer many online video training courses on that. So again, if you enjoyed the video, like I said, click that button or click the like button. That's the easiest way to communicate that to me. And I will see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.